And if you saw fire fall from heaven with your own eyes, would you believe? In a time of spiritual confusion, when the people of Israel were torn between the voice of God and the influence of the prophets of Baal, a single man stands firm, Elijah. On the heights of Mount Carmel, the dry wind sweeps across the rocks, carrying the tension of a nation waiting for a sign. Elijah slowly approaches the broken altar of the Lord and begins to rebuild it, stone by stone, as if restoring a faith that had almost been forgotten. Around him, the prophets of Baal shout, cry out, dance, but nothing happens. No answer, no fire, no God. When silence finally settles, Elijah does something even more surprising. He commands that water be poured over the altar. Once, twice, 3 times. The wood is soaked, the sacrifice dripping, everything impossible to burn. And it is exactly there, in the middle of the impossible, that he lifts his voice and offers a simple yet profound prayer. Lord, answer me, so that these people may know that you are God. Then, like a tear of light slicing through the heavens, fire falls. It doesn't merely burn the sacrifice, it consumes the wood, the stones, the water, and even the dust around it. The people fall to the ground in awe, declaring that the Lord is God. In that moment, the flame ignites more than the altar. It reignites the faith of an entire nation. And Elijah, the one who seemed alone, reveals that all it takes is a willing heart for the impossible to happen.